So you're at that point of deciding on which copier dealer to go with, but you're stuck. Should I inquire about their technicians or their service? Should I even ask about their price? Don't worry, the Copier channel's got your back. We're going over the 5 best questions to ask your copier dealer before you sign your John Hancock on that dotted line. Hey there, I'm Marissa with AIS, and you're watching the Copier channel. It's really important to ask as many questions as you can when it comes to making a big purchasing decision for your office. And deciding on a copier dealer for your business is no different. But you're probably saying to yourself, what are the best questions to ask to make sure I make the right decision? Let's go over them. Let's jump right in and address the elephant in the room. It's all about the Benjamins, baby. Probably one of the most important questions is, what is the total lease price or the total purchase price of an office copier? Well, a lot of things may affect the price, like additional features, any maintenance add-ons, and most likely consumables, like toners or cartridges. Make sure you know what you're paying for by having the dealer provide a breakdown of each item. All copy machines do 3 things: copy, misfeed, and jam. So you're going to need a maintenance contract. Therefore, question number 2 is, how much is the maintenance contract going to cost? Your copier is not a perfect machine, and it's probably going to break down every once in a while, so maintenance is a must. However, with the combined cost of the total purchase price or lease price with your maintenance contract, you have to make sure that it still fits within your budget. How accessible is your technical support staff or service technicians? When you have a problem with your copier, you need to know a company's support staff is there for you, even after the lights go out for the day. Hey, Carlos.
Hello.
You also need to know they're accessible as quickly as possible through phone, email, or text. Nothing is more frustrating than having an important document to copy or assemble and finding out you're stuck with a broken copier. How many technicians do you have for service, and how skilled are they? The amount of technicians out in the field tells you how fast service can reach you if need be. The more the better, right? You also need to inquire on how skilled or how many certifications each tech has. Certain copiers require a certain level of expertise and knowledge. You want to make sure that whoever is working on your copier is certified and knows everything inside and out. You'll also want to ask a copier dealer if their technicians participate in continued education. The industry is always growing and changing, and a great service tech should advance with the technology as it hits the market. The 5th and final question you should ask is, what's the average time it took to respond to your customers last year? Asking this question will give you a great indication of how reliable and how quickly their services respond to your copying needs. At the end of the day, time is money, and if you have to sit 2 to 3 days without a functioning copier, then you might as well close shop. A great copier repair services team should respond to your service call within 2 hours or less. So there you have it, our top 5 best questions to ask a copier dealer before you decide to make a purchase. And if you want to look at even more questions that could make your purchasing decision easier, check out our blog, Who Are the Best Copy Machine Companies. Congrats! You're now more equipped to make that big business decision. So go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so we can take you along with us through tutorials, tech tips, and helpful videos all about your copier. I'm Marissa, and remember, you can worry less with AIS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.